Trigonometry. Today we will learn trigonometry.
Hello all. Today we will discuss one question from trigonometry. Prove that sec theta plus tan theta minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 equals to cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. We will see, it's a very important question, so we will see slowly step by step how we can get the RHS. So I have written LHS term here, sec theta plus tan theta minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now, we can break these terms in many ways, like sec theta we can break, tan theta also we can break, denominator, numerator separately we can break. But that will not give a solution. Then what we should break in this term to get our RHS? This minus 1. This 1 we have to break. How we can break this one? So it's an identity. We will use one identity. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1, as we have sec theta and tan theta in both the terms, numerator and denominator both. So we will use this identity. We will apply other part, we will keep it as it is. So sec theta plus tan theta minus, in the place of 1 we will replace 1 by sec square theta minus tan square theta divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. This term we will not, this 1 we will not break again, because this term will get cancel. How that we will see. Sec theta plus tan theta. Now if you will observe, this sec square theta minus tan square theta, again it is in one formula. This is a square minus b square. So as we know, the formula for a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So in the same way we will break this term like this: sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta. Our denominator will be same, tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Next, now we can see we have sec theta plus tan theta here also, and we have sec theta plus tan theta here also. So these two terms are common. We will take common term out. So sec theta plus tan theta I am taking common. Now what will be remaining here? Don't say that ma'am nothing will be here, 1 0 will be remaining here. No. When we are taking common, this term will come out here, 1 will be there, because 1 multiplied by sec theta plus tan theta will give you again same value, sec theta plus tan theta. If you will write here 1, that means, sorry, if you will write 0, 0 multiplied by this term will give you 0. That's why we can't say that here nothing will be there, 0 will be there. So that is wrong. Here always 1 will be there. So 1 minus sec theta minus tan theta by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now if you will observe this term, tan theta minus sec theta, okay, one more line, one more time we will simplify, then the two term will be same, sec theta plus tan theta. Now open this bracket. So minus sec theta plus tan theta divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now these two terms are equal. 1 is positive here also, sec theta is negative here also, tan theta is positive here also and here also. So these two terms are equal. We can rearrange it. Sec theta plus tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. We can write it like this also because they are same only. Tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now we can cancel these two terms. So we have now sec theta plus tan theta. Still we didn't get our RHS. Halfway we reached. So now we have sec theta plus tan theta. Here we will break sec theta in terms of cos theta and tan theta in terms of sin and cos. So I am writing 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. Now take the LCM. So cos theta and numerator will be 1 plus sin theta. Now if you remember, in RHS term we have 1 minus sin theta as denominator. So what we will do, we will multiply 1 minus sin theta like this. 1 minus sin theta to both the terms, numerator and denominator, both we will multiply with the same value, 1 minus sin theta. Here again you can notice 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta. So it is the formula of a plus b into a minus b will give us a square minus b square. So here what we will get then? 1 minus sin square theta. You can say that 1 square. So the value of 1 square is also 1. That's why we are not writing here 1 square. 1 minus sin square theta by cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Now 1 minus sin square theta can be written as cos square theta also. So here we will put this formula, cos square theta by cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. So in numerator we have 2 cos theta and denominator we have 1 cos theta. So we can cancel 1 cos theta here. 1 cos theta will be remaining up. So cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. And this is our RHS term. So hence it is proved.
Try it yourself.
Thank you, children.